This video demonstrates the use of Duke's Immersive Virtual Environment, DIVE, to generate lifelike fear conditioning data in humans. Virtual worlds are created with Virtual software, and code is generated to elicit stimuli presentations. The participant is set up with electrodes for skin conductance recording and wrist stimulation, as well as button presses, within the virtual reality setting. Skin conductance response and button press data are then collected, while dynamic stimuli are presented in the DIVE. Physiological data and expectancy measures are analysed to demonstrate fear acquisition, fear extinction, and fear memory retention to conditioned stimuli or contexts.
Hi, I'm Kevin LaBar. I'm a professor at the Center for Cognitive Neuroscience at Duke University.
I am Rachael Brady, Director of the Duke Immersive Virtual Environment.
Hi, my name is Nicole Huff. I'm a postdoctoral associate in Dr. LaBar's laboratory.
Hello, my name is David Zielinski from the Visualization Technology Group.
Today, we will show you a procedure for conducting human fear conditioning experiments using fully immersive, three-dimensional virtual reality.
We use this procedure to examine contextual influences on fear acquisition and memory retention.
So let's get started.
To examine contextual influences on fear acquisition and memory, human participants are presented with dynamic conditioned stimuli in a fully immersive virtual environment known as Duke's Immersive Virtual Environment. The DIVE system consists of a 3 meter by 3 meter by 3 meter room in which